Did you know that around 10% of people over the age of 65 suffer from poor circulation in their feet? That's an incredibly high number, and it could even include you or someone you love. We often take our circulation for granted, like a silent engine that keeps our bodies running smoothly. But when that engine sputters, the effects can be far-reaching and more severe than you might think. Poor circulation isn't just about cold feet or tingling sensations. It can lead to serious health problems like deep vein thrombosis and peripheral artery disease. Think of your body as a bustling city. The roads are your blood vessels, the cars are your blood cells, and the destinations are your organs and tissues. When traffic flows smoothly, everything works as it should. But when there's a traffic jam, things start to break down. If blood can't reach your feet, it can't bring oxygen and nutrients to your tissues or carry away waste products. This can lead to nerve damage, muscle cramps, and in severe cases, even tissue death. Now imagine that 10% of all cities had constant traffic jams, disrupting the flow of life. That's the reality for many people over 65 with poor circulation in their feet. It's a common problem, but it's often overlooked because the symptoms can be subtle and easy to dismiss. But dismissing these symptoms can be a dangerous game to play. Ignoring poor circulation can lead to serious complications, including ulcers, gangrene, and in the worst cases, amputation. These are outcomes that no one wants to face, especially when there are simple and effective remedies at hand. Poor circulation is a silent enemy, creeping up without warning. But it doesn't have to be a life sentence. You don't need expensive treatments or complicated surgeries to fight back. You have the power to improve your circulation right in the comfort of your own home. But don't worry, there are home remedies you can use to improve your circulation, and we're about to reveal them all. Movement is medicine, and the best part? It's free, accessible, and one of the most effective ways to improve circulation. Indeed, regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining good health. It helps to keep our weight in check, lowers the risk of heart disease, and yes, improves circulation. You see, when we exercise, our heart beats faster to pump more blood. This means more oxygen is delivered to our muscles, and waste products are removed more efficiently. But don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon or climb a mountain to get these benefits. Simple exercises that can be done right in your own home can make a big difference. Let's start with walking. It's a low-impact exercise that people of all ages can do. Just a brisk 15-minute walk around your neighborhood or even in place can help improve circulation. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a few short bursts of speed to get your heart pumping. Next up, leg lifts. Sit in a chair or lie down on a flat surface. Slowly lift one leg, hold for a few seconds, then lower it back down. Repeat with the other leg. This exercise strengthens your legs and improves blood flow. And finally, toe wiggles. Yes, you heard right. Wiggle your toes. It might sound silly, but this simple movement can help increase blood flow to your feet. So, there you have it. 3 simple exercises that can be done at home to improve circulation. But remember, it's not just about doing these exercises once or twice. You need to make them part of your daily routine. Consistency is the key to seeing real, lasting improvements in your circulation. Don't underestimate the power of exercise. It's a natural, effective way to boost your health and well-being. Whether you're young or a little older, fit or just starting out, these exercises can help. So why not give them a try? Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises part of your daily routine. You are what you eat, and your diet can have a big impact on the health of your circulatory system. Now let's dive right into some delicious foods that are known to boost circulation. First on the menu, we have oranges. These citrus delights are not only juicy and refreshing, but they're also packed with vitamin C. This mighty vitamin is a natural blood thinner and strengthens capillary walls, ensuring that your blood flows smoothly through your body. Next up, we have sunflower seeds. These tiny powerhouses are a fantastic source of vitamin E, which is known to prevent blood clots. So, sprinkle them on your salad, bake them into your bread, or simply snack on them throughout the day for a healthier circulatory system. And for our sweet-toothed friends, here's a treat you're going to love. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are known to boost blood circulation. But remember, moderation is key. A square or 2 a day should do the trick. Now, while we're talking about foods that improve circulation, it's important to mention those that can do the opposite. Foods high in salt and sugars can harm your circulation by increasing your blood pressure and causing inflammation. So, while a bag of chips or a candy bar might seem tempting, remember that they could be slowing your circulation down. Incorporating healthier foods into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. You can make small changes like swapping your white bread for whole grain or choosing water over sugary drinks. Think of it as a journey, not a destination. Every healthy choice you make is a step in the right direction. So let's raise a glass, of water of course, to a healthier circulatory system. Remember, oranges for vitamin C, sunflower seeds for vitamin E, a square of dark chocolate for flavonoids, and less salt and sugars. Incorporate these foods into your diet and watch your circulation improve. Because after all, a healthier you is a happier you. How about a soothing massage? Not only can it help with stress, but it's also great for circulation. Now, we've all heard tales of the magic of massage, but this isn't just a luxury for spa days. It's a practical, accessible strategy that can be used right in the comfort of your own home to improve circulation, especially in your feet. The magic lies in the gentle yet firm pressure applied to the foot, which can stimulate blood flow and help to disperse any pooled blood. This method is especially beneficial for those who spend long hours sitting or standing, as it can counteract the effects of gravity on the blood flow in your lower extremities. Let's dive into the how-to of a simple foot massage. You'll need a comfortable chair, a towel, and some warm oil. Olive oil, coconut oil, or even a specialized massage oil will do the trick. The warmth from the oil helps to relax the muscles, allowing for a deeper, more effective massage. Begin by applying a generous amount of warm oil to your foot. Start at your heel and work your way up, using firm, smooth strokes. Pay particular attention to the arch of your foot, as this area can often be neglected, yet it plays a crucial role in supporting your body. Moving on to the toes. Don't forget these little guys. Each toe should be massaged individually, using gentle circular motions. This not only feels great but can also stimulate the smaller blood vessels in the toes, promoting overall foot health. As you massage, keep your movements slow and intentional. This isn't a race, it's a process of care, a way of telling your body, I see you, I hear you, and I'm taking care of you. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating this massage into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your circulation. It's more than just a moment of relaxation. It's a step towards better health and well-being. A daily massage routine can work wonders for your circulation. So, there you have it. These are simple, effective, and easy-to-follow remedies for poor circulation in feet. We've journeyed through the importance of regular exercise, emphasizing activities like walking and swimming that can stimulate blood flow and improve circulation. We've also explored the power of a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which play a key role in maintaining healthy circulation. We then delved into the magic of massage. Using essential oils like ginger and rosemary, you can stimulate blood flow, ease discomfort, and promote overall foot health. Remember, these remedies are not just about improving circulation in your feet, they're about enhancing your overall well-being. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can make a world of difference. It's all about small steps towards a larger goal, your health. Remember, poor circulation isn't something to ignore. Take these steps today towards healthier feet and a healthier you.